The door is open. I need to leave now. I must stay quiet. Run now.
Too loud. I need a place to hide. A quiet place. Hurry up!
Good morning, farm. The cows are awake. The ducks are very loud. They need food now. I can help. Walk slowly, Jace. I am careful. Good. Hold the bucket tight.
First, the cows. Then the chickens?
Yes,
After that.
I like that. Hello, Milky. She knows you. She is my friend. Give her some hay.
Small hands can help too.
My hands are strong.
Be gentle.
Gentle, I know. Clean water is very important. Water first? Yes, animals need water. I will remember. They are so fast. Do not drop it in one place. Only a little. You are doing well. Put the food inside, not near the door. That is safer. Safe is good. 1, 2, 3. Our family has 10 ducks. 10 happy ducks. Very happy.
Always close the gate.
Why?
The animals can go outside.
I will close the gate.
Read Rule 1.
Give clean water.
Good.
Rule 2. Close the gate.
A farm. Food. Animals. I can hide there. No one will see me. They are busy. That cow is very big. Big cow, much money. I will wait.
The gate is closed. Check it again. It is very tight. Now it is safe.
Tonight, we will check the farm.
With this flashlight,
Yes, stay close to me.
I will do that. At night, it can be very dark. I am not scared. Stay with Dad. I will stay close to Dad.
This place is quiet. I will stay here. When night comes, I take the cow. Easy.
Milky drank a lot of water.
You noticed that?
Yes, I checked.
A good farmer.
Did you see that? See what? Near the shed. Maybe ducks. Something moved there.
Come inside, Maya.
Yes, Mom.
We will check later.
They went inside. Good. I will wait for night. Then I move.
The farm is sleepy now. Animals sleep early. Do cows dream? Maybe they dream about grass.
Do you hear the click sound?
Yes. Click means it is locked.
That is right.
Now I know. Can we go now?
After dinner.
I will bring the flashlight.
And walk slowly.
I saw a shadow
Where?
near the shed.
We will check.
They will check. I must move fast. The cow first. Then I leave.
Stay close to me.
Stay close to Dad.
No running.
No running.
I can help.
Watch from here.
I will watch carefully.
Good. Stay inside.
It is very dark, Dad.
Yes, but we have lights.
I hear the ducks. They are safe. I can see their lights.
You have sharp eyes.
I will watch the shed.
Tell me right away if you see anything.
Slow steps. No flashlight here. The cow is close now. Stay silent.
The chickens look funny.
They are sleeping.
There is no problem here.
Good checking. What was that sound?
Just a duck.
My heart jumped. Breathe slowly.
Mom, there is a shadow
Where?
near the cow barn.
Call Dad now. Dad, the cow barn.
I hear you.
Be careful.
Stay inside the house. Stay calm.
I am calm.
Walk behind me.
I will walk behind you.
Come on, cow. Do not make noise. Come with me. Good cow.
Dad, I hear Milky.
From the cow barn.
She sounds scared.
Stay close to me.
Stop right there. Move away. That cow belongs to us. Not tonight.
Dad, I can hold the light.
Good job, Jace.
I see the rope.
Keep the light there.
Let go. No. You cannot take her. Move away.
Dad, she is scared.
I know.
Talk softly to her.
That is a good idea.
Easy now, Milky.
Good girl.
Stay still.
We are here.
That is a man. I see him. Call for help, Mom. I am calling now. We need help. At the cow barn. Yes, our farm. Dad is there.
The back gate is open.
Can you close it?
I can do it.
Go slowly.
Slow steps.
Good.
I reached the gate.
Close it now. Click means locked.
Very good job.
He cannot leave that way. You helped a lot.
Open that gate. No. Move away. Let the cow go.
Dad, the hay.
What?
Milky likes dry hay.
Use it.
Milky, look here.
Good girl.
Come here.
That's right. Slowly.
Now, Jace,
Come here, Milky.
I have the rope now.
She is safe now. Keep her calm.
Eat, Milky.
You did very well.
She trusts us.
The lights are on.
Good job, Maya.
Now we can see clearly.
Stay behind me.
Dad, the side gate.
I see it.
It is not locked.
Then we block it.
Shine the light here.
Right here?
Yes, perfect.
The gate is blocked now.
He is running
Which way?
to the main gate.
Tell Dad.
The main gate.
Thank you, Maya.
He is running fast.
I am going now.
Stay here, Milky. I will close the door. Click means safe. Good girl.
The gate is already locked. Open it. No. It is over. Let me out. Stay still.
I am stuck.
Do not move. This is bad.
I hear the sirens.
Help is coming.
Is Dad okay?
Yes. Dad is very brave.
Dad stopped him. Milky is safe now. Maya saw him first. We all helped.
Stealing is wrong. I know. You scared my family. I am sorry.
Help is here now.
Should I step back?
Yes. Stay with Mom.
Yes, Dad.
Jace, come here.
I am coming.
Walk slowly. No running.
I am walking. You locked the gate. You turned on the lights. Teamwork. Farm team.
You helped me tonight.
I was scared.
Brave people can feel scared too.
Really? Being brave means being smart.
Smart and safe?
Yes.
Safety first.
I understand now.
Are you both okay?
I am okay.
Jace?
I am okay too. She is calm now. She likes you. I used dry hay. That was very smart.
What do we check?
All the gates and every lock. Click means locked. The water is clean now.
Good checking.
New locks tomorrow?
Yes. Safer locks.
The farm is safe now.
Because we work together.
Family team.
Always.
Now you check twice. Yes. 2 times. That is a good habit. A safe habit. This fence was loose.
Now it is strong.
Yes.
No cows can get out now.
Read the checklist. Lights, gates, animals, and the phone. Call for help. Small clues are important. Like the shadow? Yes. I will look more carefully. I am sorry, Milky. You were scared. We will protect you. Farm family,
This is for you,
For me?
little farm helper.
I love it.
You saw the clue. Jace helped too.
You both helped.
We are one team.
Food for the chickens.
Water for the ducks.
Dry hay for Milky.
Correct order.
We saved the farm.
Together. And we learned.
Safety comes first. Always.